down, I know you got me, baby.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sipa Anggraini. In this video, I'm going to briefing explain the MTCRE. Introduction MTCRE. Care on MTCRE. The abbreviation on Microtik Certified Routing Engineer. Care on Outnya. What is MTCRE? Introduction to Lab Emulator. The abbreviation. So, what exactly do you learn? There are two topics here. What is MTCRE? Introduction to Lab Emulator. So, what exactly do you like? There are several modules here. Module 1, Static Routing. Module 2, Point-to-Point Addressing. Point 3, VPN. Point 4, OSPF. Point 1, Objective ECMP, more specific router, how to for gateway over service interface, and module 2, point-to-point address configuration. Point 3, what is VNV? This type of VPN. Set-to-set connectivity with tools. IPIP, FOIP, PPTP, SSTP, and PPOE. Module 4, how OSPF protocol works. Hello protocol, database, distribution, and LSL type explained. OSPF network structure, area, router type. Carry on. What is MTCRE? Microtik Certified Routing Engineer. MTCRE is one of the advanced Microtik training source. The conference topic about routing, switching, and tooling in Microtik. 2. The host of how want to learn more about routing in Microtik to make the MTCRE training and certification exam and certificate most of passed the MTCRE exam. An example image. Sorry. Here is an example of the certificate. Carry on. Introduction to the emulator lab. Sorry. 1. The emulator lab the can about a set in Lightning Microtik network. Administration is the same as before, namely PinetLab. 2. Have full, hopefully you are all already familiar with the PinetLab emulator lab. 3. Devices that can be private include Microtik CHR, Docker Web Server, VPC, etc. Carry on. You can also use the emulator app assemble and similar to PinetLab name a file. Here the emulator app is the original version of PinetLab, but added an X to operate. An example image. Carry on. Practice. Carry on. Thank you. Please forgive me for the word or remix the might have been inappropriate. The is all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.